20 biblical plants that will calm your anxiety and depression. Anxiety and depression have become the defining health crisis of our time. Hundreds of millions of people struggle with these conditions every single day. But long before pharmaceuticals existed, healers across every ancient civilization used plants to restore peace to the troubled mind. Many of these plants are mentioned directly in ancient texts. Others were used by the same cultures that gave us the Bible, Ayurveda, and traditional Chinese medicine. Here are 20 plants that will calm anxiety, lift depression, and restore balance to your mind and spirit. Number 1. Lavender. Lavender is one of the most extensively studied plants for anxiety. Its primary compound, linalool, directly calms the nervous system by modulating GABA receptors, the same receptors targeted by anti-anxiety medications, but without the side effects. Number 2. Valerian Root. Valerian has been used since ancient Greece and Rome to treat nervousness, trembling, and insomnia. It increases GABA levels in the brain, reducing the neural overactivity that causes anxiety. Studies show it is as effective as some prescription sedatives. Number 3. Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha reduces cortisol, the primary stress hormone, by up to 30%. Chronically elevated cortisol is directly linked to anxiety and depression. Ashwagandha restores the hormonal balance that your nervous system needs to function calmly. Number 4. Holy Basil. Tulsi is called the incomparable one in Sanskrit. It contains compounds that reduce corticosterone, the brain's stress hormone, and has been shown to improve mood, reduce anxiety, and enhance cognitive function under stress. Number 5. Lemon balm. A member of the mint family, lemon balm has been used since the Middle Ages to reduce anxiety and promote sleep. It inhibits the enzyme that breaks down GABA, effectively increasing calming neurotransmitter activity in the brain. Number 6. Passionflower. Passionflower is one of nature's most powerful anxiety remedies. Clinical trials have shown it is as effective as oxazepam, a prescription anxiety drug for treating generalized anxiety disorder, with none of the dependence or withdrawal effects. Number 7. Chamomile. Chamomile contains apigenin, a flavonoid that binds to benzodiazepine receptors in the brain. This is the same mechanism used by Valium and Xanax, but chamomile achieves this naturally and safely. Long-term use actually reduces anxiety, rather than creating dependence. Number 8. Saffron. Saffron is one of the most remarkable natural antidepressants discovered. Multiple clinical trials show it is as effective as fluoxetine Prozac for treating mild to moderate depression. It increases serotonin availability without side effects. Number 9. St. John's Wort. The most studied herbal antidepressant in history. Over 30 clinical trials confirm that St. John's Wort is as effective as standard antidepressants for mild to moderate depression, with significantly fewer and milder side effects. Number 10. Rhodiola. When your mind is exhausted, anxiety and depression are inevitable. Rhodiola is an extraordinary adaptogen that reduces mental fatigue, improves stress tolerance, and has been shown in clinical trials to significantly reduce symptoms of depression. Number 11. Kava. Used ceremonially in Pacific Island cultures for thousands of years, kava contains cavalactones that produce profound relaxation and calm without impairing mental clarity. Research supports its use for generalized anxiety disorder. Number 12. Ginkgo Biloba. Ginkgo improves cerebral blood flow and protects neurons from oxidative damage. Poor brain circulation is a major but often overlooked cause of anxiety, depression, and mental fatigue. Ginkgo directly addresses this root cause. Number 13. Lion's mane mushroom. Lion's mane is unique among all the plants and fungi covered today. It stimulates the production of nerve growth factor, literally rebuilding neural pathways damaged by chronic stress, anxiety, and depression. Number 14. Turmeric. Depression is increasingly understood as an inflammatory condition. Curcumin in turmeric reduces the inflammatory cytokines that suppress serotonin and dopamine production, restoring the neurochemical balance necessary for healthy mood. Number 15. Flaxseed. The omega-3 fatty acids in flaxseed are essential building blocks of brain cell membranes. Deficiency in omega-3s is strongly associated with depression and anxiety. Regular flaxseed consumption supports optimal neural function. Number 16. Bacopa. Bacopa monnieri has been used in Ayurvedic medicine for 3,000 years to enhance memory, reduce anxiety, and improve stress tolerance. It reduces anxiety by modulating serotonin and dopamine levels, and improves cognitive function under stress. Number 17. Maca. This Peruvian root has been used for over 3,000 years to increase energy, improve mood, and reduce anxiety. It balances hormones, particularly estrogen and testosterone, whose imbalance is a major driver of depression and anxiety. Number 18. Reishi Mushroom. Reishi has a profound calming effect on the nervous system. It reduces adrenal fatigue, improves sleep quality, and contains triterpenes that directly modulate stress response pathways in the brain. Number 19. Green tea. L-theanine, unique to tea leaves, promotes alert calmness, a state of focused relaxation without drowsiness. It increases alpha brainwave activity, the same state achieved in meditation, and balances the stimulating effects of caffeine. Number 20. Frankincense. Boswellic acids in frankincense cross the blood-brain barrier and reduce inflammation in neural tissue. Insensilyl acetate, another compound, has been shown to produce anxiolytic effects by activating TRPV3 channels in the brain. You do not have to suffer. These plants have been helping human beings find peace for thousands of years. They are available to you right now. Let nature be your medicine.